If you're doing a home renovation or construction project and suddenly find some unexpected wildlife or a protected species, you gotta stop everything right away and call the environmental authorities, no joke. So when you're working on your yard or inside your walls, keep your eyes peeled for anything unusual like nests, burrows, or animals that don't usually hang around. If you spot something, don't try to move it yourself because it could be illegal or harmful to the animal. Instead, pause your work and get in touch with the local environmental office or wildlife service to report what you've found. They'll tell you how to handle it safely and legally, which is super important because messing with protected species can lead to big fines or even legal trouble. Also, make sure you let your contractor know right away so they can adjust their plan without causing harm. It's better to be safe than sorry, and protecting wildlife means you're doing your part for the planet too. Plus, documenting what you've seen can help if there's any official inspection later on. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when unexpected wildlife pops up is just ignoring it and pushing forward with work, which can lead to serious penalties because disturbing protected animals is against the law. Another common issue is not knowing who to call or delaying notification, which can hurt the animals and slow down your project even more. Lastly, some people try to handle the removal themselves or hire unqualified people, but that's risky and often illegal. The fix? Stop work immediately, contact your local wildlife or environmental agency, and follow their instructions carefully. Keep an open line of communication with your contractor so everyone stays on the same page and respects legal requirements. Take photos if you can safely do so. It helps with reporting. Being proactive and respectful of wildlife helps keep your project smooth and avoids costly setbacks. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and follow the rules when unexpected situations like this come up. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to handle projects right from start to finish.